Hi friends, today I am going to tell you the story of how my golden nugget tomatoes transformed from flower to fruit. I got my golden nugget tomato plant from my friend on 4th June 2020. The golden nugget tomato plants were developed in Oregon state. I got this plant with a few small flower buds. The flower buds are present in clusters. The flowers are golden yellow in color. The smaller buds are green, but as they develop, they form the yellow flower. These flowers have 5 petals, and these flowers can self-pollinate, which means they don't need any other pollinators such as wind or insect to pollinate and form fruit. The green flowering buds over time form yellow flowering buds that then form the yellow flower. Here you can see the flowers formed in a cluster. Most of them are rising up from one main stem. These flowers are very beautiful to see. The plant needs sunlight to thrive well. It also needs warmer temperature to form flowers that will form the fruit eventually. The younger flowers are yellow in color. However, as they start aging, slowly they become paler. They start drying, but this is a good sign because this is the main step before the formation of the fruit. Here you can see the flowers drying up. The withering of flower is important for fruit formation. On June 20th, the first bud formed. The fruit bud started growing over the days thanks to the warm temperature that was provided to it. On June 22nd, the fruit bulb grew a little larger as you can see in the picture. There is another fruit bulb that is starting to emerge. They start becoming bigger in size with days passing by. Here you can see how big they have grown, and this is on June 30. You can see that the fruits are still small in size, but with more number of days passing by, it will grow bigger. Here you can see on July 2nd, it has grown a little bit bigger. The dried flower is still stuck at the end of the fruit. Over next few days, these fruits will mature and the dried flower will come off. You can also see that the plant has grown in height and there are more number of buds. New buds are forming and the older flowers are withering off to form the fruit. This picture was taken on July 20th and you can see that the fruits have completely formed. You can see the golden yellow color of the matured fruit versus the greener color of the younger one. On July 22nd, the fruit has matured enough and you can still see a little bit immature fruit on the left hand side versus the right hand side picture. It took a month and 18 days to grow from the flower to the fruit form of the tomato plant. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and feel free to subscribe to my channel to get more updates on different topics of nature. Have a good day. Thank you.